How to start a $400,000 Gold IRA investment for beginner. Ready to dive into a $400,000 Gold IRA investment? Here's a guide for beginners to start. 1. Understand a Gold IRA. It's a self-directed IRA allowing physical gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. It's great for hedging against inflation and market volatility. 2. Evaluate your goals. Determine if you want long-term stability or portfolio diversification to see if a Gold IRA fits your strategy. 3. Research custodians. Find a trustworthy custodian to manage your IRA, checking their fees, storage options, and services. 4. Select a depository. Choose an IRS-approved depository for secure gold storage. Look into their security measures and reputation. 5. Fund your account. Roll over funds from an existing retirement account or make a direct contribution. Consult a financial advisor for tax implications. 6. Choose gold investments. Only buy gold that meets IRS purity standards, 99.5% or higher. Popular options include American Gold Eagles and Canadian Gold Maple Leafs. 7. Execute the purchase. Have your custodian handle the purchase and storage of your gold, ensuring IRS compliance. 8. Monitor your investment. Regularly check market trends and your IRA's performance to stay on track with your goals. 9. Understand distribution rules. Know the IRS rules for withdrawals to avoid penalties and taxes, such as the early withdrawal penalty before age 59 and a half. 10. Stay informed. Keep up with changes in regulations and consult with your custodian and advisor to keep your investment compliant and strategic. Follow these steps to confidently start and manage your $400,000 Gold IRA investment. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.